Hello, my name is Don Rose from Chicago, Illinois, USA, and I had two experiences here with German estetica. And originally I was going to a different country, and the Consul General of that country did not advise me going there and advised me to come to Turkey. So since I already had a plane flight scheduled, I had to change very quickly, and I researched all the hospitals for the hair transplant, and German Estetica stood out to me as being a very professional, very well-run company. So that's the one I chose. 2 days later, I was in Turkey, and I had a very good experience. I had a short period of time that I had to have it done, and they accommodated my schedule by taking me in on a Sunday for the procedure, when normally Sunday wasn't a day for that, but they did that for me, and the results of the procedure were excellent. I mean, everybody back in the States had commented on how incredible it was, and I'd like to endorse them for that. The next year, I decided to have some liposuction done on my chest, and that's why I'm here now. And I had that done a few days ago, and I'm very happy with the results. And I'll be heading back to the States soon, but it was quick and easy, and they provided all the transportation and housing and everything for me. So I'm really happy with German Estetica. Thank you.